Welcome to Vietnam, a country shaped like an elegant S tucked away in Southeast Asia. To the north, it touches China. To the west, Laos and Cambodia. And to the east, the South China Sea. Vietnam's geography is like a colorful blanket, misty mountains, sunny coastlines, and green riverlands. The north has tough mountains and the old capital city, Hanoi. Central Vietnam offers amazing beaches and old towns like Hoi An. The south is home to the lively Mekong River area and busy Ho Chi Minh City. Each part has its own special charm, making Vietnam feel like three countries in one. There are many natural wonders: Ha Long Bays, rock islands, Sapa's rice fields on hillsides, and the huge caves of Phong Nha K Bang. And don't forget the beaches. From Da Nang's golden sands to Phu Quoc's clean shores. Vietnam is a place where adventure and beauty pop up everywhere you look. It's a place that asks you to look around, find new things, and be amazed. Vietnam's story goes back thousands of years, from the old Van Lang kingdom to today. Hundreds of years of Chinese and French influence shaped its culture, but the Vietnamese spirit stayed strong. The marks of the Vietnam War are clear, but the country has moved forward with strength and hope. Family is the most important part of Vietnamese life. Many family members often live together, and showing respect to older people is very important. Worshipping ancestors connects people to their past, with special altars found in many homes. Buddhism is most common, but other beliefs like Confucianism, Taoism, and Christianity also shape the spiritual side of the country. Celebrations like Tet, Lunar New Year, bring the country together in happy fun. The Io Dai, Vietnam's traditional clothes, shows grace and beauty. The Vietnamese language uses different tones. Learning a simple Xin Chào, hello, or come on, thank you, helps a lot. Vietnam's culture is a lively mix of old ways, strength, and warmth. Vietnamese food is a treat for your senses, fresh, balanced, and something you won't forget. Start with pho, the famous noodle soup, and banh mi, the perfect French-Vietnamese sandwich. Try goi quan, fresh spring rolls, and drink strong, sweet café soda iced coffee. Street food is everywhere. Just grab a small chair and dig in. Hanoi charms with its lakes and old streets. Ho Chi Minh City buzzes with new energy. Explore Hue's grand old buildings and Hoi An's magical lantern-lit streets. Da Nang shines with its dragon bridge, while Phu Quoc offers an island paradise. For adventure, go north to Sapa and Ha Giang for amazing mountain views. Every city and area gives you a new taste, a new story, and a new adventure. Vietnam's cities are full of new ideas, big goals, and old ways. There's always something new to find. Ready to visit? Here are some quick tips. The money is the Vietnamese dong. Get ready for lots of zeros. Local flights, trains and buses make travel easy. Ride-hailing apps are useful in cities. Spring and autumn are the best times to visit for nice weather. Vietnam is home to 54 different groups of people, making for a rich mix of cultures. Motorbikes rule the roads. It's a busy but organized mess that's part of the fun. Karaoke is a favorite hobby for many, and Vietnam is the world's second biggest coffee maker. The country is young, has big dreams, and is welcoming, full of pride and hope. Vietnam is more than just a place to visit. It's an experience that will wake up your senses and fill your heart. Go explore and let Vietnam surprise you.